Marquette County in south central. Severe thunderstorm watch number 523 remains in effect until 10 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Dane, Iowa, Jefferson, Milwaukee, Ozaukee, Sheboygan, Washington, and Waukesha. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm